What's good, Josh? Homie back again with another video. In today's video, I got an item that I would like to unbox and do a review on, and also hope that whoever finds this video will help you guys out. I went and searched on YouTube and Google for this particular item and I couldn't find nothing, so I guess I'm going to be the first one to do this. Bear with me if I miss any steps or if I'm doing something wrong. Just comment down below and let me know what I did wrong or what I missed. I'll be sure to take that into consideration and fix up whatever problems I have made or whatever, alright? But further ado, enough of me talking. Let me get into the product itself. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Yes, sir. You ready to see it? Oh my goodness, this thing is long.
That's what she said.
You guys see it right here. This is a soundbar for your TV. Like I said, I tried to search up, like reviews and videos on this, and I couldn't find any of it. Yeah, let me get into the details real quick. It's made by Altec Lansing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Boom. I bought this for $49.99 at Ross. It is called a Soundbar SB200, which is located right here. This is Bluetooth. It has a 2.0 channel. This is a 35-inch long. That's what she said, because I know y'all got some nasty minds out there. This pushes out 30 watts for the output. It's also an HDMI ARC. I still don't know what that means. It has a remote control. This is mountable as well, so you can mount it anywhere you want, on top, on the bottom, left, right, anywhere you want. Let's get into this box, shall we? Every time I'm filming, man, there's always someone blasting music. Jesus. Be careful, right, y'all? They take the crap out of this package. The last time I heard about this brand was me actually owning speakers for my PC, which is currently being used by my nephew, and I've had that speaker for over 10 years now. 10 plus, since he's like 12 years old now, and I had it before he was even born. That's crazy. I don't have high hopes for this, but I'm hoping it's at least decent. For 50 bucks, man, come on. That's what plus tax. Dang, I'm having a hard time opening this. Bruh, why is it so... I'm trying to be gentle here, just in case it breaks, I could return it. Oh my god. Jesus. Oh my goodness, they take the crap out of this, man. I'm already 6 minutes into the video. Holy. Ooh, it smells new. It smells brand new. So that means I don't think nobody purchased it and returned it. So you get the cable right here and the remote controller. Whoops, I didn't see that. I believe this is the power cord. And then you get this right here. Boom. This actually looks really nice. Oh yeah. This is actually for my girlfriend. I don't need a soundbar because I have speakers for my TV, which works perfectly. This is how it looks like. It looks really freaking nice, man. I'm not gonna lie. On the back side, it has the ARC, aka HDMI port right here. So it has an HDMI port right here, a USB, an auxiliary cord, and the power. And you can mount them on the wall with these things right here, which is cool. I'm gonna plug it all together and try it out. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're on my TV right now, and I'm going to go to YouTube and let you guys hear how my TV sounds like without any speakers. Alright, so that's how it sounds like just off my TV. Alright, hopefully you guys got an idea off of that. And now let's turn on the soundbar and test that out, alright?
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
So that's what you're gonna hear when you turn it on. You're gonna have a blue light right there. The sound quality wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I guess we're gonna go to mode. Alright, you know what? I can't find the Bluetooth on my TV. So we're gonna go with plan B, which is gonna use the auxiliary cords, alright? Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, I don't know what the heck I'm doing with this. We all gonna learn together, right? Yeah. What I noticed was when I plugged the auxiliary cord into this, it started making a beep 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 noise until I plugged it into my TV, which is over there. Sorry for that. Let's test it out now. You gotta press the auxiliary. Hopefully that did something. Some sounds. Gotta turn it up. Interesting. For some reason, I think my TV sounds a little bit better. Test that out again. Okay, here it goes. This is the soundbar. And that is on max volume. So that is on my TV. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. That was $60. No, that was $50. I feel like I didn't get. Oh, sorry. I feel like I didn't get like a lot of bass from it. It seems a little bit more quieter. Alright guys, I went and got my HDMI and plugged it right into the arc of it, and it got really loud and the bass was all there too. Check it out. I'm dreaming you tonight. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a million races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we are everything. Call me whenever you feel alone. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out in any way, and if it did, smash that like button. Smash, smash, smash. Subscribe for more videos and more content and all that good stuff coming your way. My last thoughts about this soundbar is for the price, man, because soundbars are really expensive, like 120 plus all the way to 200. This was like $50. That quality was actually way better than just like your typical PC monitor. This soundbar will actually help that, but if you want something more better, then I suggest you guys just go on and just cash out for those more expensive ones like the JBL, because those are the ones with the bass, or the Bose. Those are really good too. Or just do what I did and just get some speakers and just hook it up, you know, with the little phantom power thing, audio power thing, whatever it's called, and there you go. That's another way you could do that. That is my time. So everybody, be safe, keep it breezy, and now see you on the future. Deuces. Alright, this is my new chair. I put the link over there so y'all could watch it, alright? Yeah!